The National LPG Expansion Implementation Plan (NLEIP), in collaboration with the Nigerian Energy Support Program (NESP) and Nigeria LNG Limited, has kicked off the National LPG Sensitization and Awareness Campaign themed Stimulating National Socio-Economic Growth Through LPG Adoption and Expansion. Speaking at the event in Abuja, the Minister of Women Affairs, Mrs. Pauline Talent, said that the campaign is aimed at increasing awareness and general acceptance of LPG as an alternative and affordable energy for domestic use in Nigeria. The minister noted that the sensitization campaign could not have come at a better time as the world battles to reduce the greenhouse effects in the society.
This, I understand, is aimed at increasing the awareness and general acceptance of LPG as an affordable alternative energy for domestic use in Nigeria. This flag off could not have come at a more appropriate time than now, as the world battles to reduce the greenhouse emission effects in the society.
Mr. Dayo Adeshina, National Program Manager, NLEIP, commended the federal government on its seriousness towards the National LPG Expansion Plan through the Interministerial Committee on LPG, headed by Vice President Yemi Oshibajo. Adeshina said the sensitization and awareness campaign will also educate the masses on the dangers of dirty fuels used especially in cooking and daily living. He said every year, almost 900,000 people are affected by the effects of dirty fuels like kerosene, firewood, and charcoal. Hence, the government's plan to displace the energy risks for cooking.
Every year, almost 900,000 people are affected by the effects of dirty fuels like kerosene, firewood, and charcoal. That figure is more than the total combination of the effects of people that suffer from malaria, tuberculosis together. So the government's plan is to displace the energy mix for cooking, which currently stands at firewood 60%, kerosene 30%, LPG 5%, and charcoal 5%. The government's ambition is to reverse that and change that 5% to 90% in 10 years.
Adeshina said that accessibility, acceptability, affordability, and availability are some of the ways the government can use in achieving its ambition.
First of all, we look at the 4 A's: accessibility, acceptability, affordability, and availability. And so, to make it available, some of the policy directives that are embedded in the national gas policy.
The Deputy Managing Director, Nigeria LNG Limited, said the campaign will transform the entire value chain from the downstream operators to distributors and consumer attitudes to gas utilization. He said that on a national scale, it will ensure more job opportunities while also guaranteeing a healthier society, especially for young women and children.
This campaign, together with the Decade of Gas initiative, will transform the entire value chain from the downstream operators to distributors and consumers' attitude to gas utilization. On a national scale, this will ensure more job opportunities while also guaranteeing a healthier society, especially for women and young children who have consistently suffered the damaging effects of smoke inhalation from use of unconventional fuel for cooking family meals.
Minister of Environment commended the Program Manager's Office in ensuring a seamless project execution. The minister said the National Environment and Regulations Enforcement Agency, NESRA, is responsible for protecting the environment by enforcing all environmental laws and policies.
This will contribute significantly in fulfilling the country's pledge in the Paris Agreement. Also to commend the effort of the Program Management Office in ensuring that the project is executed seamlessly. Well done for the good job. The National Environmental Standards and Regulation Enforcement Agency, NESP, is an agency under the Federal Ministry of Environment. The agency is charged with the responsibility of protecting the environment by enforcing all environmental laws, guidelines, policies, standards, and regulations. It is also charged with the responsibility of promoting good environmental friendly technologies, as well as prohibiting any process that undermines environmental quality.
The Director General, Voice of Nigeria, Barrister Osita Okechukwu, pledged the agency's commitment to publicize the good works of the LPG expansion program.
So we of the Voice of Nigeria will continue to publicize the good works the LPG expansion program is doing. The program manager helped us to tell Mr. Vice President that we shall continue to let the world know we reach the 6 time zones of the world. Even those who had abandoned shortwave will reach them by multimedia platforms. Those of us in the African region that still remain on the shortwave will continue to tell them what is going on in Nigeria. Because there's a lot of good work going on here. It's only us that do not accept. For those who keep on saying, no, nothing is going on in Nigeria, this is one of them. It's an infrastructure that will leverage the society. So we appreciate what you are doing and continue to do our best. So for us, we will be with you.